Sometimes you think, bro, I don't want to do that. It is so small thing. I cannot do that. And you said to yourself that I can't. I cannot do it, these things. I'm not capable. Then always remember these things are really so negative. You don't need to be a negative guy. You just need to be a person who just say, okay, any problem I can face, no matter what. I don't care about it. I can face any problem. Just tell to the problem that I am the boss of this universe. Any problem who want to come at me, come it. I don't care about it. I will destroy you. I will demolish you. That type of mindset you need. You don't need to say, oh, I cannot do it. It is so difficult. It is so uncomfortable. I can't do it. It is kinda difficult, bro. So, you don't need to say like these things. You just need to understand that, yeah, I have no capabilities, but I am here to build my capabilities. No matter what problems I face, I must overcome them. If I have a fear of public speaking, I will. If I fear of talking with strangers, I will talk to them. If they reject me, I want to get rejected by thousands of people. I want to get rejected so many times, but I will never give up. There is no chance to give up. I can't. It is impossible that I can give up. I will try. I will learn more. I will apply more. I will make my weapon as an implementation. I will take action on everything. Whatever I learn, I will apply on them. But never say you can't. You can. It is so simple. You just need to take action. Whatever you want to do it, just do for it. Go for it. No matter what. It is so simple. If you think it is simple, your mind will make it simple. And if you think, no, I can't do that. It is so difficult. I can't do that. No. Then it is really so difficult for you. Always remember, whatever you think, it become your reality. And if you think, my life is so easy, I can do whatever I want, I can do whatever I think. It is as simple as that. So, if you have a two option, A option is to say good things and B option is say bad thing. If you have a chance to say option A, then why do you choose option B? Never choose option B, my friend. Always speak positive to yourself. Never say negative. Never say I can't. Say, if the God came to me and they want to fight with me, I will. And I will win in that particular match. I don't know you will win or not, but say it. I will. I will win no matter what. Oh, got it. So your mindset should be problem solver. Your mindset should be go in a direction where you are just solving problems in such a way where you can find answers that particular problem. And then that answer should not be the problem of that problem. I know it's kind of difficult to understand, but try to understand that you don't need to build problems. You just need to solve the problems. So how can you solve that? You can just go on YouTube and you can search how to handle a situation, how I can handle criticism. What should I do for handling criticism? And if you are going to do that, that is great. Because most of people just watch videos and they are doing nothing at all. Can you imagine how ridiculous is this? You are just consuming the information you're getting, but you're doing nothing because what? What? Because you are a lazy? You don't want to face uncomfortability? What the hell are you doing, bro? Just think about your parents. Your parents are getting older and you are thinking nothing. You eat. You use mobile phone and scrolling. Your only one responsibility is to just study. Maybe work. Maybe anything. But you are not fulfilling your responsibilities. And that is really so bad thing. Like your parents went at their work every single day. Your mother make food every single day. They never escape from their responsibility. They never give excuses to not doing that their responsibilities. But you are giving it. You are saying I am so distracted. I can't do work. I can't do study. I'm so distracted. What the hell are you saying, bro? It is your responsibility to do that. And nobody is here to listen your excuses. Got it? Whatever you want to do, just do for it. Go for it. Don't put the tag of I am innocent, I am this, I am introvert. How I can talk with people? What the hell is this? You saying you are an introvert? And you are also saying, I have no confidence, I am not consistent, I am not disciplined. Those are totally pointless bullshit. Don't think about it, those things. Only remember, you can do whatever you want, just you need to take action every single day.